Okay, so normally I don't do a lot of PlayStation tutorials on the channel, but since I got the PS Portal, PS5 Portal, PlayStation Portal, as it were, not too long ago, I thought I would make a simple video covering how to change your PS5 name. Because by default, once you'll realize that the PlayStation Portal says connect to PS5 189 or 582 or whatever. And then, you kind of, maybe you like keeping it under an actual name that you like. Okay, so in order to do this, go to System Software, go to Console Information, and the first option will be an option to change your name. Like you see here, this is a name on the PS5, and in order to change it, we literally just have to click on it and change the name. And then as you can see, it is set to PS5 Vamp. Plain and simple, pretty straightforward. With that, and next time you connect to your PlayStation Portal, you may have to turn your PlayStation Portal and your PS5 off and back on for this, but as you can see, it doesn't give a random string of numbers anymore. It actually says PS5 Vamp like I set it to. So yeah, hopefully this has helped you in some way, shape, or form. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.